Hey everyone, it's Laura. Today I'm going to do a plan with me for the month of April using a new kit from A Goodwin Design, which is called Dinosaur Birthday. We actually have a lot of birthdays in April. Got my son's birthday, my friend's son's birthday, and my other friend's son's birthday, although my son is 12, so he probably wouldn't be into a dinosaur birthday, but you know. So anyway, this kit will be released on Monday, this coming Monday. It's a full kit, dinosaur themed, birthday themed, obviously. Be good if you're going to do a child's birthday. So the first thing I did was I took a screenshot of my planner in Xodo, because I've been having some trouble with Xodo. Today for some reason it's not working and it decided to delete my entire planner, so yeah, I wasn't impressed. So what I've done here is I've taken a screenshot of my planner page and I moved it into Autodesk Sketchbook, and I'm just adding in the days of the week now. Good thing about Autodesk Sketchbook is you can, when you use the distort tool, you can manipulate the stickers so they fit in the box, which is what I did. The next thing I did was white out the month in the corner and add one from the sticker kit. And the next thing I did was add in my dates. And the other good thing about Autodesk Sketchbook is if you see at the bottom where it says scale, you can actually make everything the same size if you keep an eye on what the scale is. In my case it's 21%. I realised that I put the dates in the wrong place, so what I did was I merged 1, 2 and 3 together and then moved them to the right position. So I add all these dates at scale 21% for the entire month, and as you can see, that's there is now done. Then I merged them all together. So I merged them all onto the page because I'm quite happy that I want them to stay there. And now we're just going in with some decoration. So a cake, little cut cake. And again I manipulated it with the distort tool again, which is the third one from the left on the toolbar at the top. And we're just adding in a couple more boxes, again making them fit with the distort tool. And we're adding a dinosaur. These are really quite cute actually. So again, we're pastel-y colours. Pastel-y colours for this kit. We've got some purple, grey, orange, blue, sort of teal colours going on. I think it's a nice colour combination actually. It's so now we're just going in with some birthday headers and some decorations. So the 7th of April is my son Hayden's birthday, and it's also my friend's son Parker's birthday, and it's my other friend's son Ollie's birthday on the 30th. We just added some firework decoration there for that, and that's it for that part of the spread. So the next thing I did was opened up Xodo again, and I pasted what I just made onto the page like a giant sticker, and now I just continue with writing in the events for the month using a font that I like. So we've got Hayden's birthday, Parker's birthday and Ollie's birthday. We've also got, I'm putting in their ages there as well, so I can remember for when I buy the birthday cards, although you know I should already know my son's birthday, or his age at least. So while I was doing that quick pause, is I was trying to work out what day of the year is what day of the month is Easter. So I'm using a sticker here from DigiKika. Their stamps. The planner girl is called Eleanor, and I've put the Easter day on there. The next thing I'm looking for is a payday banner for the 5th, because that's the date I get paid. And I am also looking for some other decor. We're going to use another happy birthday, and I'm going to decorate this sidebar with balloons all the way down, different coloured balloons in different shapes and sizes. And I've flattened all that. I see this is looking quite nice. I see I paused again to check my calendar again to find out which day the kids are going back to school, and I found that it was the 19th, so I put that on the calendar. I've also got another appointment on the 6th, which I had another box for, and I put that on. So these quarter boxes are quite nice because they're plain, and so I added that appointment in. And then I added some washi for some decor, like trim in the end. I like to layer the small washi on top of the larger washi, you know, the long washi. And then I added a raw to the grey box, some more washi, trimming it down again to size, and then another piece of washi just to add a little bit of decoration. A cupcake which I cropped before I put it on the page, and I added a couple of dinosaurs as well to the page, and a banner just to make it a little bit more interesting. Some fireworks that I cropped and added to the page, and finally another dinosaur which I was having trouble. I say I'm having problems with Xodo at the moment. So that's the spread there complete. So I took a screenshot of it, and now I am sharing it with Autodesk Sketchbook so that I can finish off the cover page, which will also be my thumbnail for the video. This will be what I post on Facebook and Instagram. So I made a background with some washi and changed the transparency. These tablet stickers are from Pink Punch Studio, and the flowers are also from Pink Punch Studio. Now we're going back into A Goodwin Design, and we're choosing some notes and some pens for decoration, and finally a stylus. And so that's it for this spread. The code you need for your 20% off is AGTT. Well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.